guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how to properly soak off nails. So to start with, I'm going in with a file and I'm literally just filing off the, oh my god, I'm starting with literally again. I'm going to try really hard not to keep doing that. So to start with, I am filing off the top coat and also foil and get as much of the foil off as possible. I'm using a 180 grit file as I wouldn't use anything lower grit, as you don't really want to use a lower grit on a natural nail. After I've filed off as much as I can, I'm going in with acetone and I am soaking a cotton pad, and then I am going to wrap tin foil round my finger with the pad in it. Make sure you do the shiny side in, so the matte side's on the top, just because it keeps the warmth in, so it keeps your acetone nice and moist. I'm going to let you watch now because I'm just repeating it all on the other fingers. Once all the fingers are in soak, I'll leave them for about 10 minutes. Then I'll see if the gel is ready to come off just by giving a little scrape, which you can see here that it is, so I'll just get it off. Make sure you're really gentle as you don't want to damage the natural nail. If there's just a few stubborn bits, nothing majorly stuck on there, you can go in just with a little buffer and just buff off that remaining gel. But if there's more and there's still like a couple of layers left, then I would put it back in soak. Usually see when it's ready to come off because it's just started lifting, as you can see on this one. So just look out for that really. So some gels take longer than others, but some gels could be soaked off within like 5 to 7 minutes, to be honest. Now I'm giving them a wipe over just to make sure all the dust is gone off them. the lovely Taurus Beauty on Instagram, I'll pop a handle somewhere here, gifted me these 3 oils, which was really, really nice of her. She gave me tea tree and eucalyptus, I think it was orange and lemon, which smells so good, and peppermint, which I also love. So yeah, that was really, really nice of her. So thank you so much again if you're watching. Adding on some cuticle oil at the end just to rehydrate the nails, because you've had acetone on them, which can draw out the oils. Enjoyed this video, guys? If you could like, comment and subscribe, that would be amazing, and I'll see you in the next video.